Well, good day, boys and girls. Did you miss me? I know you did. Today, you saw my last video. I got this Coleman, $20, marketplace. Coleman white gas stove. I was sitting there going, I'd like to have a heater in it. So whenever I'm out, either hunting or camping or something like that, let's say they have a burn ban on, and you want a nice, something to warm up against. I was going to see if I could turn this stove, which should already put out some heat, right? Well, I wanted to radiate a little bit more, make it really good like camp heater. So, my very nice neighbor over there, I said, I need some cans. He works at Napa, he said, I'll get you some. And so, none of these have paint in them. Or like, this one's a little rusty. This one has he gave me these, and they're really thick. The only thing that I don't like is it has paint, but I'm going to heat these off. I'm going to heat this off, or maybe take a propane torch and burn it off quicker. I'm going to clean these up. And I bought this metal bottle opener with the points. In the old days when you bought orange juice, you had a hole in it, and on the other side, and just pour it. That's what this is. It's just a bottle opener. But that's also called something else. I don't know. It's a can punch, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to put a bunch of, I'm going to go around the edge here with this. Just put holes all around the top. This was $1 or something. And get the real thick. Don't get those little cheesy ones that are all thin, they'll bend. This one's, see how thick that is? That's gonna do the job on these thicker cans. So I got that. And we'll see. I can probably just do that. Just leave them. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set them up on top here. With those holes. Boy, that's gonna radiate some heat, I bet you. I'm going out on a limb and saying that's gonna work great, but I don't know until I try. But I bought some of this high heat Rust-Oleum. That was most expensive. That was like $7 for this one can to paint these up, just so they look like presentable. Maybe just for the video. I don't think this is necessary. But after I burn off the paint, put the holes in them, I'm going to put this high temperature, heat them, so if it has any type of fumes or something, it'll be gone, by the time I use it. And again, I wouldn't really recommend using this in a really airtight room or something like that. I'm not saying to do that. Maybe in a tent, because a tent's going to be a little bit breather. It's probably not safe there. I'm not recommending any of this to any of you. I'm telling you not to do it. I might do it, but I'm telling you guys, I'm not saying any of this is safe. Like outside, on a table, keeping your hands warm, go for it. It's perfect. Just huddle around. If you're in a tree stand or something like a blind or something like that, there's lots of, you have the door open anyways, and you're just sitting there wanting to keep your legs warm and stuff like that, probably going to be a great idea. I don't recommend it to anybody, even though I think it's a good idea. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Boys and girls, don't do what I say, but unless you really think it's safe, then do it. Let's get after it. All right. I don't know if it's going to, we'll see how this works. It should. Beautiful. That's exactly what I'm going to. Now I'm just going to repeat the same thing over and over again, all the way around. I'm not going to show you and bore you, but that's what I'm going to do here. I'll get back with you whenever I get that done. I had to sharpen a better point. This metal was really thick. So I took my grinder, put a point on that sucker, and then I bent it a little bit more so it was more curved, so it cut into the can. I had to do that. And then I also had to, the can kept on bending as I did. So I took this, and I just kind of banged it to where, banged it back out, because it was kind of bending in and folded in the top of the can. So every once in a while I just had to straighten it out with it. So just FYI, you're going to need, probably, and this metal on this one, it looks really good, but she bends. Probably a nice hard steel one, high quality one. I don't know where you would get one of those though, so, but I need to. I got one done. Lit up the old Coleman. You can't see it's all blue flames right now. We'll make her chew really good. I'm going to burn off some of this paint. While I'm doing it, I'll see how good it's working. All right, let's give it a test. I know this one. Sorry, hot. Oh my God. Sorry, getting warm. That's only one burn right now, too. I'm going to do another one over here. So you have two of these bad boys. Oh, I can tell. That's going to be a great idea. Yeah, so you're working, you're all cold, you just come over here, warm up a little bit. Yeah, I don't want to breathe this anymore, guys. It's starting to burn. Let's burn off some of this paint. I'll be back with you. All right, as you can see, it's getting really hot. Like, it's working great. And if you can see the heat radiating out the holes too, it's like dispersing it more, plus the metal. I think once I get the other one on here, and get it all set up, as you can see, the heat's actually making all the way up to, that's where it's burning, coming out each hole more individually. And yeah, I don't know, maybe less holes. Maybe on the other one I'll go less holes and see if it, forces it, the can to get hotter, and then I might go more, just a minimum. I think you're going to have to do all the holes around the top though. But I'm going to say this is a win. But yeah, just, obviously it's in the open air too, so the wind's blowing most of the heat radiating off of it away. So once you're in like a hunting blind or something like that, I'll probably put it down by your legs, just heat you up. But definitely got to burn off the paint, because I smell the paint. And let's get rid of all this paint, and I might try and put some of this. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I put the hot paint on top of it? Just let it go. Who knows? So you can see, the very top of the can starting to get really hot. That's what I was wanting. I want to see that can almost get red hot on top, and then that'll be a good sign of it's dispersing the heat really good. All right. Seems like the one with less holes is actually getting hotter. So that's a good point. Maybe too much heat's getting out of the more holes. Less holes. Yeah, I'm thinking less holes, the better. Actually, like one every 3 spots of that one. See the paint starting to burn off that one. Let me keep on letting this paint burn. Get back with you. But yeah, she's putting out a lot of heat. That would be nice on a really cold day. Get your hands all warm back up. Your body heat, get radiating on you. And especially get it inside that blind, that hunting blind. I don't know the noise. I think deer would probably just get, you probably want to be downwind, obviously, because you're a hunter. But maybe sometimes just having a little noise and no deer and being comfortable. it might be worth it too. Who knows? Well, in conclusion, well, I'll pay them. For now, the midway conclusion is, I wish I had a thermometer. It feels so good. And that's in the wide open air. Just huddling around it. You are going to be toasty out there. And get warmed up, no problem. I think this is a win idea for staying warm on a freezing cold day while you're out either hunting or working. Say you're working out in the garage and your hands start getting cold. You run over here, you get your hands and go back to work on your truck again. It's a win. Alright, this one, I took the butane, burn all the paint off of it, and then water brush whatever little remnants was still on it. So this is what it would look like if you didn't paint it. And it would just sit right down on there. And I'm going to paint, I think I'm going to paint one, just for a picture. I'm going to leave one, not paint. This one's still, I have the torch, it just turned all white somehow, but it's good. And then I'm just turning it and letting it burn. Letting it burn on the sides. I'm not smelling any danger. I keep turning it and letting the flames hit up the side of it there, just to burn whatever might not have burnt. Whenever I did this to it, and it's burning down low in the heat. But yeah, I'm probably running these a couple hours, like 2 hours or something like that. Once I get them clean. Once I get this one, I'm gonna paint this one. I'll paint this one, and then I'll run it for 2 hours, and we'll see how the paint holds up on the. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Here we go. I'm gonna use this stuff, and then once you paint it, you still gotta let it burn so you get all the toxins off of it and everything. So I'll let you know how that goes. Stand by. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, boys and girls. I don't think I'm gonna paint. I think I'm just gonna leave them like that. I stripped them really good. I took the propane bottle, torched them, and then I hit them with a wire brush. So they're all clean. They're cranking out heat. I'm not gonna paint. I changed my mind. Well, they did for a video, right? These cute black painted, but we're not going for good looking. We're going for effective. I don't want to hurt anybody with toxic paint, anyways. So you don't need it. I'm not gonna be doing this all the time. I mean, they're gonna be inside the garage where they won't rust up or anything. So yeah. You're a choo-choo away. Oh goodness. Listen to that, people. Listen to that sound. I just love the sound of the Coleman stove. Fired up. I don't even have it on high right now, guys. I just got it on low. I can probably grab a little bit more, but yeah, that's it. I'm gonna end this video. Like I say, boys and girls, God bless you. Have a great day. Experiment, look for bargain deals, and have some fun camping or hunting. Get outside, do some stuff for a while. Talk to you later.